Hello everyone, I'm Shaakir and I'm going to present about my report, that is introducing REITs in Sri Lanka, from the Colombo Stock Exchange report. So the terminology I learned was REITs, which stands for Real Estate Investment Trust. So uh, usually we have like mutual trust or trust funds. Trust funds invest in individual investments, uh, in share markets or bond markets. However, in terms of REITs, it's not going to invest in shares or bonds, but it's going to mainly focus on investing in real estates. If you look at mutual funds or trust funds, what they do is they collect individuals' investments and they invest in a portfolio of bonds and shares. However, in REITs, they will be investing in money earning, income generating real estates. The there are certain rules with REITs that they have to maintain a 70% or higher ratio of income generated through real estates. So they could also invest in shares and bonds, but however, they need to make sure that 70% of their incomes are earned through real estate. There are two types of REITs. There are equity REITs and there are mortgage REITs. Equity REITs mainly invest in commercial properties and charge rent on them. Mortgage REITs invest in both commercial and residentials. So what happened? All stock exchanges try to improve their service. They just keep on improving their facilities and services that they provide. So the Colombo Stock Exchange realized the rise in the property value. So they decided to introduce REITs in Sri Lanka. This way, locals can invest their money in income earning real estate properties and reap the benefits of it. Just like investing in stocks and bonds, REITs investors get a ownership over the property. So it's pretty convenient because you don't need to have the entire amount to buy the certain property. If you have a certain small amount of property, you can invest that and be a certain shareholder. I mean, a certain part of ownership will be belonging to you. So why did it happen? So if we look from 2012 to 2019, I would suppose this would say. So within this period of probably 7 years, if you look at the housing value, it has substantially increased up to the double its price. So you can see that there is been a constant increase in land value in Sri Lanka. So because of this, individual investors are definitely motivated to invest in real estates. So due to these reasons, introducing REITs is a very good option, and this will be a source of income for the government. So what are the potential impacts of the events? So this will help increase investment in creating infrastructure. So people investing a small amount of money would help generate sufficient enough funds to to build buildings and infrastructure uh, to better the economy. Uh, since with a small investment you can become an owner, it encourages locals to invest in REITs. Uh, Cash generated will be shared among the local owners and the government will earn income through taxes. So what is my opinion? Sri Lanka is a booming tourist destination. And with that said, many foreign companies have opened hotels and restaurants in Sri Lanka. With REITs, we could construct hotels and restaurants owned by Sri Lankans itself. This way, we could keep the money within the economy and improve the Sri Lankan balance of payment. So with that said, I would like to end my presentation. Thank you very much.